gonna go get something to eat. So we made it to the mall and we're going to get some lunch and go get some pedicures. You ready for your pedicure?
Yeah, I'm ready for my pedicure. What about you, vlog? We'll get your smoothie.
Looks good. Ready to eat?
Yes.
I am not the victim of this love affair. You can make me go away.
So we went to the mall and got some lunch and done some shopping. I'll show you guys what we got later, and now we're at the spa and we're gonna go get some pedicures. So we got a few things at the mall, so I'm just gonna show you guys what that we got. So at Victoria's Secret, I just got a couple little travel size perfume things. This one is the Very Sexy Now Wild Palm travel perfume roller ball. And then I got this one. This one is, let's see, I think it's called Wicked. It's just another little travel that you can like rub on your wrist. And then I got the Bombshell Summer powder oil. It's just like a little perfume. And then I got the liquid color in the shade Femme. Just the Victoria's Secret Intense Lip liquid color. That is all the stuff that I got at Victoria's Secret. Just some like perfumes and a lip product. And then at H&M I got a couple of shirts. The first shirt that I got is just a burgundy and white colored tank top. It kind of looks black in the video, but it is actually burgundy. And then I got this really cute little like floral top, and it's super cute. And then at Target I just got this really pretty mustard color little dress that we're gonna take pictures in. So this is the bathing suit that I'm wearing today. It's just a two-piece. What are you wearing? What are you wearing? Where's your bottoms from? So we're heading to the beach and I gotta put sunscreen on. Can you rub some sunscreen on my back? I gotta find it. Where's the beach bag? So I am using the Alba Botanica Hawaiian Dry Oil Sunscreen, and it's SPF 15. Seth, will you put this on my back for me? And if you burn easy, I don't advise to use it. It's more of like a tanning oil. Thank you.
There you go.
Thank you. And then for my face, I'm using the Hawaiian Tropic Silk Hydration Lotion Sunscreen, and it's SPF 30. Yeah, so those two are definitely some beach essentials. And then my favorite product is After the Sun. I use the Pacifica After Sun body spray in the coconut vanilla, and it has aloe vera in it. It says soothing aloe, lovely scent, your skin's after sun BFF, and it feels so good and smells so good, and this is my absolute favorite beach product so far. Okay, are you ready to go?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. And then also don't forget your SPF lip balm. This one is just the Soft Lips Vanilla, and it's SPF 20. The piece that goes to it, I don't know where it went. So, snap. Okay, and when you go to the beach also, whoa, do not forget your a drink, because you're gonna get thirsty probably because it's so hot. So, something. Okay. I said okay.
Okay to what?
It's so hot. Do you think it's hot?
Yeah.
I'm telling you. We're in the elevator. Say hi.
Hi.
Going to the first floor. Huh? We found it. Huh? It looks so hot. Okay, so we're gonna get in the hot tub. So change of scenery. Oh shoot. So change of scenery. We're going to the outdoor pool. Can you open it? Pull it. Snap. So change of scenery, round 2. Going to the beach now. So let's just stuck. So pretty out. That lifeguard doesn't even look old enough to be a lifeguard. So now we're gonna go back to the room and get ready to go eat. Okay, so we're ready to go. We're gonna head to the beach and take some pictures, and then we're gonna go find somewhere to eat. Wow, you look cool. So that was our little photo shoot we had.
Hello everyone. This is your best vlogger yet set. We're walking over to the car. I think I got the camera on a good spot, right? It's covering my face mask, and right? Is that better when it's up there? What about that? Is that pretty good?
Messing up my vlog. Tell them what we're gonna go do. Our plans.
We're gonna go eat, and we're gonna probably do a little bit of shopping, and probably go back to the beach sometime tonight, and I don't know what else.
Oh yeah, shopping. You said shopping. Okay.
Yeah.
That looks so good.